How to replace the keyboard on a FANUC 0i-D controller. First, unplug the ribbon cable connected to the controller. Next, unscrew the two screws at the bottom of the controller. Press the clips at the top, and carefully remove the back cover. Now, locate the corresponding screws securing the components and remove them. Unplug the slots. Lift the ribbon cable and thread it through the back of the main board to remove the screen. Continue by unscrewing the surrounding screws to detach the back plate. Be mindful of the ribbon cables during this step. Then, loosen the screws securing the keyboard at the bottom of the controller, and remove the keyboard. To replace the keyboard, lift the securing clips, detach the ribbon cable, and insert the new keyboard. Finally, reassemble the unit in reverse order. And test the buttons to ensure everything works properly.